Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your custom desktop PC. In this tutorial, we'll walk through essential maintenance steps to keep your system running smoothly. First, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, microfiber cloths, and thermal paste for reapplying on your CPU. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother. Begin by powering down your PC and unplugging all cables. Safety first. Once it's powered off, open the case by removing the screws on the side panel. Typically, you'll find 4 screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take them out. Now that the case is open, it's time to inspect the internal components. One of the most common issues is dust accumulation. Using the can of compressed air, gently blow out any dust from the fans, heatsinks, and power supply. Make sure to hold the fans in place while you clean them to prevent damage. If you notice any parts looking particularly dirty, you can use a microfiber cloth to wipe them down. For stubborn grime, a bit of isopropyl alcohol on the cloth can help. Remember, this is a delicate process. Avoid touching any circuitry directly. Next, let's address the thermal paste on your CPU. If your system is a few years old, it might be time to replace it. Carefully unclip the CPU cooler and lift it off. Clean the old thermal paste off both the CPU and the cooler using a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Once cleaned, apply a small pea-sized amount of new thermal paste in the center of the CPU. Reattach the cooler, ensuring it's secure. While you're at it, check all the connections and cables inside the case. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Loose cables can lead to performance issues, so take a moment to tidy them up. If you're unsure about any connections, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once everything is cleaned and secured, it's time to close the case. Carefully put the side panel back on and screw it in place. Reconnect your cables and power up your system. You should notice improved airflow and potentially even quieter operation. If at any point you feel uncomfortable performing these maintenance tasks, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your PC. With our service, there are no calls, no travel, just convenience. Finally, before you wrap up, consider creating a maintenance schedule. Regular cleaning every 6 months can greatly extend the life of your components. Always remember to quote before repair if you decide to seek professional help. It's a great way to understand potential costs before committing. In conclusion, maintaining your custom desktop PC doesn't have to be daunting. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can ensure your system runs efficiently for years to come. Happy computing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.